In this video, we will be discussing about investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies and many of them are decentralized, which means that there is no central authority that controls those currencies, unlike the currencies of different countries which the government has the control over. The governments can devalue their currency whenever they want, and they can print as many notes as they want. However, as most of the cryptocurrencies are decentralized, there is a fixed system already in place which cannot be controlled or changed by anyone now. In addition to that, as the cryptocurrencies are made based on the blockchain technology, so the transactions happening through these cryptocurrencies are very transparent. There are numerous cryptocurrencies available for us to invest in. The most famous ones are Bitcoin and Ethereum. You might have heard that the cryptocurrency market is much more riskier than the stock market, and at the same time, there are numerous people who have become multimillionaires and billionaires by investing in cryptocurrencies. In general, the cryptocurrency market is much more volatile than the stock market, so the prices of cryptocurrencies fall faster than the stocks in a bearish market, and the cryptocurrencies can even give more returns than the stocks in a bullish market. The volatility of cryptocurrencies does increase the risk of losing money. However, it even provides a good trading opportunity in the cryptocurrency market. Problems with cryptocurrencies are that currently the cryptocurrency market is highly unregulated. There are not clear rules about cryptocurrencies by the countries, and cryptocurrencies are not yet accepted as the legal tender in most of the countries, barring a very few of them. Means cryptocurrencies are yet not accepted as a mode of payment for buying goods and services in almost all the countries. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. However, if these cryptocurrencies are accepted as a legal tender in other countries in the future, then their prices will skyrocket. But we cannot be sure whether it will happen in the future or not. In order to reduce the risks, you would want to invest only in those cryptocurrencies that are traded in a comparatively large volume, as the prices of those cryptocurrencies which are traded in smaller volumes are extremely volatile and change drastically as less people are trading them. So even when there are a few more buyers, the price drastically increases, and if there are a few more sellers, then the price drastically decreases. Before investing in cryptocurrencies, we should know what all could lead to the change in prices of the cryptocurrencies. They are not like stocks of companies whose stock prices generally increase when a company is performing well and decrease when the company is not performing well. The prices of cryptocurrencies change based on news and speculations. For example, if a famous global personality talks about him or her believing in cryptocurrencies, then the prices would increase. And if there are rumors about a country going to ban cryptocurrencies, then the cryptocurrency market crashes. A single tweet made by one person could largely affect the whole cryptocurrency market. This could tell you how risky it is to invest in cryptocurrencies. Now we will be talking about the two common mistakes that people make while investing in cryptocurrencies. The first one being, while investing in cryptocurrencies, numerous people find such cryptocurrencies which are very cheap in price and have given the maximum return in the past few hours or days, and they invest in them without knowing enough about them. We should not invest in cryptocurrencies just by looking at their past returns. We should invest in such cryptocurrencies which are fundamentally strong. The second mistake that people make is that they invest in cryptocurrencies due to FOMO, fear of missing out. There has been a lot of craze about cryptocurrencies in the recent times, especially since the past 1.5 years. So many people who do not understand what cryptocurrencies are and what are the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, even they invest in cryptocurrencies because they have the fear that the people around them are investing in this asset class. They think that everyone might earn money and they might miss out on this opportunity where the cryptocurrency prices are rallying. But until and unless you understand an asset class well, the risks associated with them, and whether they suit your risk profile, you should not invest in them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you were able to gain some clarity about cryptocurrencies. In the next video, we will be catering to investing in real estate.